Welcome to this Tutor to You topic video that looks at why Manchester is an important city. This is part of Paper 2, Unit A, Urban Issues and Challenges. Manchester is a city of significant importance across regional, national and international levels. Regionally, it leads in economic activity, culture and transport. Nationally, it plays a central role in education, media, healthcare and even governance. And internationally, it competes on the global stage in sport, academia and in business. So let's focus on the regional importance within the northwest of England to start with. Firstly, Manchester is the economic hub of the northwest. It is a principal city in the northwest of England and it is often regarded as the capital of the region. It serves as the main driver of the regional economy and it has a strong presence in finance, digital media, manufacturing and education. We often hear the term Northern Powerhouse and many people will say Manchester is where that is based. Secondly, transport connectivity. The city is a central node for road, rail and air travel in the region. Manchester Piccadilly is a major railway hub and the city's Metrolink tram system, which is pictured on the screen, connects various suburbs and surrounding towns to the city centre. Thirdly, it is important regionally in terms of cultural leadership. Manchester boasts regional cultural institutions like the Lowry Theatre, the Home Arts Centre and the Manchester Museum. It is also the home of globally known football clubs Manchester United and Manchester City, and these bolster identity in the local area but also pride, as well as bringing in lots and lots of revenue. Fourthly, it is important in terms of education and innovation. It has major universities like the University of Manchester and Manchester Metropolitan University, and the city also contributes to the region's knowledge economy and research output as well. Let's move on to national importance. The relocation of key parts of the BBC and ITV to Media City in Salford, which you can see on the screen, has established Manchester as a national media centre. Although technically, Salford is actually a separate city to Manchester, despite being just 1.5 miles from Manchester city centre. Media City UK is the home of the BBC North headquarters and it became a major UK broadcasting hub when the BBC relocated key departments from London in 2011. This includes BBC Sport, BBC Breakfast and BBC Radio 5 Live, as well as children's programming such as CBeebies and CBBC. ITV also established operations here, including their Granada studios, where filming and production for Coronation Street takes place. In addition, Media City has helped to decentralise UK media from London, and it has given the north of England a key role in national media production and broadcasting. It produces popular long-running UK programmes such as Match of the Day and Blue Peter, and it also hosts major screenings and festivals in the event space outside, which again you can see on the screen. And this reinforces its role as a national cultural venue. Salford's Media City is often nicknamed Northern Silicon Valley due to the rapidly growing tech sector which is located there. It is actually home to over 250 media, digital and creative businesses and has created thousands of highly skilled jobs in broadcasting, post-production, animation and software development. It contributes significantly to the UK's creative economy and is one of the fastest growing sectors. As a result, it is a key part of the government's levelling up agenda and it demonstrates how investment outside London can stimulate national growth. The city also has a national significance as an education and innovation hub. There are 4 main universities in and around Manchester. Firstly, the University of Manchester, which is a Russell Group member, meaning that it is considered one of the UK's best universities. It has over 40,000 students. It is one of the largest single-site universities in the UK and it has a global reputation and numerous Nobel laureates. In addition, it employs over 12,000 staff and supports thousands of jobs in the Greater Manchester area. Secondly, Manchester Metropolitan University, which is known as MMU, has around 38,000 students and also hosts the Manchester School of Art and the Manchester School of Theatre. Thirdly, there is the University of Salford at Media City, UK. Remember, we have said Salford is a different city to Manchester, but it is within a mile and a half from Manchester city centre. This university has around 20,000 students and offers courses in media production, digital design, and journalism directly next to the live studios, creating really strong academic industry links and preparing students for careers in the media sector. And lastly, we have the Royal Northern College of Music, which you can see on the screen. This is a specialist institution with about 800 students. It specialises in music performance, composition, conducting, and is internationally respected for training musicians and composers. There are a few other reasons that Manchester is nationally important. Firstly, we have the second city status. Manchester is often referred to as the UK's second city after London due to its size, economic contribution, and political influence, although Birmingham would dispute this. Manchester plays a pivotal role in national policy discussions, especially regarding the government's levelling up agenda. It also has political significance. Manchester often hosts major political party conferences, and it serves as a model for city-region devolution, with the Greater Manchester Combined Authority, which is led by Metro Mayor Andy Burnham, who many believe will one day be the UK Prime Minister. Lastly, it is important in terms of healthcare. Its hospitals, such as the Manchester Royal Infirmary and the Christie NHS Foundation Trust, which is a world leader in cancer treatment, are nationally significant institutions. The Manchester University NHS Foundation Trust is the UK's largest healthcare trust and is home to City Labs, which is pictured on the screen, which is part of a new national hub for precision medicine. So again, is a fantastic resource to have within the city. Let's move on to Manchester's international importance. Much of this is linked to football, as you would imagine. Manchester United and Manchester City football clubs significantly boost Manchester's global significance. Firstly, they do this through global recognition and branding. Manchester United is one of the most famous football clubs in the world, and it's got a fan base in the hundreds of millions worldwide. Manchester City has also risen to become a global footballing powerhouse. It's won multiple Premier League titles and the UEFA Champions League. And the global media coverage of both of these clubs ensures that the name Manchester is constantly visible on the international stage. The success and the visibility of these clubs act as a form of global marketing for the city, and it makes Manchester a household name across all of the continents. Secondly, the football clubs boost Manchester through economic impact and investment. These clubs are major employers and they contribute directly to the economy through ticket sales, stadium tours, merchandising, and broadcasting rights. They attract billions of pounds in global sponsorship deals and foreign investment into the city. Match days and club-related tourism benefit hotels, restaurants, transport and retail, and they generate millions of pounds per season. For example, Old Trafford and the Etihad Stadium welcome hundreds of thousands of international visitors each year, especially from Asia and the Middle East. In fact, Manchester United Stadium, Old Trafford, is one of the most visited football stadiums in the world, and you can see that pictured on the screen. Thirdly, these clubs also dominate through media and cultural influence. Both clubs have massive social media and digital audiences, such as the All or Nothing on Amazon Prime, so Manchester is continually featured in sports, news, documentaries, and social media feeds right across the globe. This reinforces its global image, and in addition, the games are broadcast to hundreds of countries each week during football season. Aside from football, there are other ways that Manchester is globally significant. The University of Manchester, that you can see pictured on the screen, ranks amongst top global universities, especially in physics, engineering, and social science. It has Nobel Prize winners, which has led to the reputation of international prestige, which obviously makes it even more impressive. It has over 40,000 students, and more than 10,000 of those are international students that travel from over 160 countries to study there. So it's a top destination for overseas students and academics. It ranks in the top 30 universities globally. It is particularly well known for research in areas such as biotechnology and nuclear science. Manchester is also an important transport gateway. Manchester Airport is the third busiest in the UK, and it serves as a key international hub with flights to Europe, Asia, North America and the Middle East. And finally, it is important in terms of trade and investment. Manchester attracts significant foreign direct investment, especially in technology, property development and professional services, and it is part of the global city networks and frequently ranks in global indexes of livability and innovation. That concludes this Tutor to You topic video focusing on the importance of Manchester. Thank you for watching.